Hello class, good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and healthy at home. Stay safe. Don't move outside. And Corona plus now there's so much heat in the gloomy sky. Okay? So stay home only. चलिए, before we start anything, let's pray to the God. Everyone, close your eyes, join your hands, and start with 3 times Omkara. Okay, everyone, take a long breath and start. What is there? Now your mind is set to be for a study. Okay? Before we start anything, please play the God. Listen guys. I said some things related in mind. One visit at the Haridwar, and then I said that in the morning early 3 o'clock they are playing the board. They wake up and then full the city of Haridwar are the sounds with the silent sounds. They are playing the boards, artis, diyas, and there someone are sitting in meditation. And it all is part of our life. It's a very by this way we can stay healthy and we can live a long life also. And every day God is with us. God has given us so many gifts, and so we have to thank God daily. Okay, chalo. Guys, what we had done yesterday, we learned the ordering numbers, and our topic is ascending order. These are the small to big. Small to big. Like this, कैसे start होगा? From you to your grandpa. You to your grandpa. आपसे start होके आपके grandpa तक जाता था. जैसे first one you, then your siblings, then your mother, father, grandma, and grandpa. And today it's a reverse. उसी से पूरा उल्टा reverse. What is that? Listen. This is the apples, big, small, then small, then small, and small. Big to small, big to small. It's a stair. It's a down the stair, down the stair. कलम क्या था? Up to stair, up to the stair. Stair को up जाना था. Today is down the stair, big to small. Okay. Do you like your work? I like so much. I like all the fruits so much, but mango is my favorite fruit. And I already told you yesterday. Okay, chalo. Like this same way, we have to play with numbers. जैसे हम हमारे फैमिली मेंबर के साथ प्ले करते हैं, हमारे कलीग्स के साथ, हमारे रिलेटिव्स के साथ, वैसे ही we have to play with the numbers 0 to 20. Today we have to arrange this number in big to small, big to small. Okay, let's start. Shall we? Here is our first number. What is doing? How to do? This is your CW. Write your date and CW. This is your notebook word. What is this? This is your notebook word. Okay? Chalo. Ordering the numbers. This is the same heading. And today's topic C-E-N-D-I-N-G, descending order. को नंबर डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है ना. स्पेलिंग सम टफ, बट इफ यू प्रैक्टिस इट, इट्स वेरी इजी, तब वो इजी हो जाएगा. ओके, नाउ योर फर्स्ट नंबर इज लिसन. when you write in your notebook, your whole thing should be perfect. कैसे? This is your habit. Then you can see that you skip a line, then ordering the numbers. No need to write this. Okay? ये लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Direct practice. This is your margin line. Do you start here and inside or outside the margin line? Write your heading. Arrange in descending order. Like my board, blackboard, जैसे मेरा blackboard दिख रहा है वैसे ही आपकी बुक दिखनी चाहिए है. It's look a very distant, so your book should be distant. Okay, चलो. And your this number should be in a one box. Where it now one box. And your comma should be proper. देखो, this is your comma. Sometimes some students are doing this comma like this. How can we understand? What we understand in this? है ना? So your comma should be properly, not like this. It's this one. Okay? Chalo. Now here is your first number of big to small. You have to write your grandpa here, then grandma, then father, then mommy, and then you. Okay? Chalo. You keep in mind, I always say to you, single digit number is always smaller than two digit number, yeah, double digit number. So 7, 9 and 7, these are the single digit. So we have to look for two digits. This one is two digits, this is two digits, and here is also two digits. Now you know very well the forward counting. So start your forward counting after the 10. Which one is your single two digit number from 11? So 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, and then 18, and last one is 19. So 19 is your grandpa. Who is 19? So write 19 first. Okay. What is our descending order series? Big to small. Grandpa, grandma, papa, mama, you. Okay. So let's start. Your grandpa is here. Now you have to cut it down, and then for what you have to write for your grandma. So 11 and 17, which one is greater? 17. So grandma is here. This one is your grandma. Right here 17. Okay. Now you have to write for your papa. This one is 11, and it's here. Okay. Next. 9 and 7. Both of these, which one is greater? 9 is greater than 7. So 9 is next number, and last one is 7. And this is you. This is your comma. Okay, 5 number is there. You have to arrange them big to small. Okay. Now the next series here is next one. So now 1 and 9. Both are single digit numbers, so skip it. Now forget it. So 10, 20 and 11. 10, 20 and 10. 10, 20 and 30. So 1, 2 and 1. So 2 so 10 plus 2 is greater than 1's place. So 20 is your biggest number here. So who is your grandpa here? 20. Cut it down. Next one, 10 and 13. 10 and 13. So, what is here? Here is 0. 1's place here is 3. So, 3 is greater than 1. So, next number is 13. This is your grandma. Cut it down. Next one is 10. 10 is who is your father? 10 is your father. So, cut it down. Okay. Now 1 and 9. 1 and 9. So 1 is smaller than 9. So next number is 9. 9 here mama, and 1 2 and 5 is single digit number. So skip it down. It's be last. And then 15, 18 and 14. So this you know very well. 8 is greater than 5. So your number is 18. Take the place your grandpa. Okay, cut it down. Then 15 and 14. In a forward counting, you know 14 is a upside, 15 is a downside. So 15 is your bigger number than 14. So 15 is as said as a grandma. It down. Next one is a 14 and then 5 and 2. So you know 2 is greater than, sorry, 5 is greater than 2. So your next number is 5 and then your 2 is at last. 2 is you, this 2 is you. Okay? So this is your CW. Now you have to look for your textbook and worksheet. Let's ready your textbook for exercise your textbook and worksheet. In a textbook, page number 15 is your homework. What is today's homework? Listen guys. Yesterday's homework was page number 15. Question number 9. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. This is your yesterday's work. Okay. Today is descending order. Question B. This page number 15. This is your homework. Okay. I also send the pic of this one, but then also I'm telling to you now, and we have to do work in our notebook and textbook. Let's do in it. Everyone ready with your textbook? Your next work is in your textbook, page number 28. And what we learned yesterday, ascending order, and today you have to learn for descending order. Descending order, है ना? What is that? DESCENDING, descending order. चलो, here is your exercise, descending order, and your number is 2, 14, 12, 16, 18. So how to arrange? 2 is single digit numbers, skip it. Then 14, 12, 16 and 18. You know 16 is a downside in your numbers. So 16 is your first number. 16 is a greater. 8 से 6 greater. ठीक है? So 18 is your first number. Cut it down. Then next one is 14, 12 and 16. So 16 is greater than 14. Okay, so write 16 here. Then next number is 16. Cut it down. Next 12 and 14. So you know very well 12 is smaller and 14 is greater. So 14 is here. Then 12. Cut both the number and then last one is 2 here. Okay guys. Next number is your 7, 12, 8, 10 and 1. Here 1, 8 and 7. These are the single digit number. So we have to look for 10 and 12. So when you counting forward, start from 10 and 12. So 12, 11 and 12. Means 12 is at last in these two numbers. So 12 is your greater number here. Cut it down. Write 12 here. Then 2 digit number is 10. So write here. Okay, 2 digit is over. So we have to look for 7, 8 and 1. So 8 is greater than 7. So write 8 here. Then 7 and last one smaller is U. What is your series? Grandpa, grandma, papa, mama, you. Okay. Chale. Now next number is this already I have done. 11, 17, 13, 9, 4. So 4 and 9 is a single digit number. So now forget this two number here. So skip it out. Here 11, 17 and 13. So you know 11 is the first number, then 12, 13. So this 2 is smaller than 17. So cut it down, write your 17 here, then 11 and 13. So you know 11 is smaller than 13. So 13 is greater after the 17. So your number is 17, 13, 11. Okay, cut both the number. Then 9 and 4. So 4 is smaller than 9. So write 9 here, cut it down, and then 4 write at last. Okay. Chalo. Now your next series is here. What is your series? Grandpa, grandma, papa, mama, you. And next one is 16, 12, 11, 10, 20. Okay. Start. Let's say here is no any 2-digit numbers. So what you do? Let's start. These all are ones place, tens place is 1. So here is 2 and 2 is greater than 1. So write first 20. 20 is your grandpa, and then 16, 12, 11, 10. So you know that 10 is smaller than 11, 11 is smaller than 12, and 12 is smaller than 16. So your next number be a 16, then a 12, then 11, at last is 10. Okay guys, so this is your textbook exercise, and here it's the same work for your notebook. मैंने ब्लैक बोर्ड में ऑलरेडी आपको बता दिया है योर CW, बट हाउ टू डू, करना कैसे है, दिस इज द योर नोटबुक. ओके, चलो कैसे, राइट योर डेट एंड CW एंड अरेंज इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. DESCENDING Okay, chale. So skip a line. This is your margin line. Put your star here, and then if you want to draw it. It's look very decent in your notebook, है ना? And write big to small. Grandpa, grandma, papa, mama, you. And your number is coming down. Okay. And this is the same number that I have explained in your blackboard. With answer I will send you pic. Okay students, and your homework is in worksheet page number 15. Okay students, bye bye, have a nice day.